What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix high memory usage in Windows 10. We will discuss the method from basic to advanced so that you can fix the high memory usage in Windows 10. Without further ado, let's talk about the methods. Method 1. Stop unnecessary processes. To stop the unnecessary process, do a right click on the bottom bar. You'll see Task Manager, click on it. If you'll get a screen like this, click on More Details. You'll get a screen like this afterwards. You simply have to select the program which is using a lot of memory in your Windows. Here you have to remember, you do not have to stop any process, or we can say the services, which is really important for your Windows to run smoothly. If you are not sure about the services, then simply do not select that service. Open the browser, any browser you have, Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, and search for that services. If that plugin belongs to Windows 10, then do not end the task of that plugin. If that services is used to run third-party application, then you can end the task of that application. If that application is not important for you, you simply have to select the application. From here, if I'll select this one, then I simply have to click on End Task. Method 2. Disable startup programs. You have to follow the same method. Do a right click on the bottom bar and you will get Task Manager. Once you'll have the screen, click on Startups. From here, you can see the application which you do not want to start automatically when you start your PC or restart your PC. As you can see, it says Microsoft OneDrive. This is completely useless for me, that's why I'm disabling it. Just simply select the application, click on Disable. You can see it disabled. Now close the Task Manager. Method 3. Disable sys main services. To disable sys main services, you can click on Window and start typing, or either you can type in here if you have this option available. If you haven't done any kind of modification in your Windows 10 to remove this search option, then you'll surely get this option in here. If you have done modification to remove it, then you will not get this option. You simply get magnifying glass in here. Click in here and type services. Click on Run as Administrator. Once you'll have the services windows, click on any services in here and type S on your keyboard. Now here you have to search for sys main. Let me scroll it down. You can see the services in here, sys main. Simply click on it. You can stop from here as well, but you have to disable it. To disable it, do a right click, select Properties, stop the services. Once it is stopped, click on this startup type, select Disable, click on Apply and OK. That's how you have to disable sys main services. Method 4. Scan with malwares. In this method, you have to scan your PC with any anti-malware you have in your PC, or if you have purchased any antivirus, then you can use that as well. If you do not have any anti-malware software in your PC, then you can download one software to remove all of the malwares from your PC. Let me open the Google Chrome and show you which software you have to download. As you can see, we have tejadvice.com. Type in here anti-malware. Click on search. The first result you have is Malwarebytes Security for Home and Business. Click on it. Once you'll be on this page, click on free download to download the software. And the link is given in the description of the video. You can watch that video and check the information how you have to use the anti-Malwarebytes in your PC. Or if you want to buy it for personal use, you can see the prices in here as well. Or either you can click on the link below to buy anti-Malwarebytes. Method 5. Update drivers. It has been updated on Tech Forum. The high memory usage in Windows 10 comes up because of outdated driver as well. So you simply have to update the driver in your Windows 10 to fix this problem. To open the driver manager page, do a right click on Windows icon, click on device manager. From here, you can update the drivers. Check all of the drivers and try to update all of them. Method 6. Update Windows. I know you might be thinking why you need to update the Windows. As I said before, in method 5, updating driver is really important, and same goes for Windows Update. Updating Windows is really important for you to keep your computer secure and install all of the latest security patches from Microsoft, because they usually update all of the security patches of Windows so that they can give you the complete security with Windows Security. To update the Windows, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down, click on Update and Security, click on Check for Update and update your Windows. Method 7. Registry Editor. I do not want to suggest you this option as this involves the Registry Editor. However, a lot of users who was facing this problem, they fixed their problem by following the Registry Editor option. So let's fix the problem using Registry Editor. Click in here, type Registry, click on Open, click Yes. Now the first thing you have to do is to create the backup of your Registry Editor. Click on Files, click on Export, select Desktop, type the file name, Backup, click on Save. It might take some time, but it's really important if you are changing some setting in Registry Editor. Now, after doing a backup, double click on H key local machine, or you can click on the arrow. Click on System. From here you have to search for Control Set 001. Here click on Services. From here you have to search for NDU. Let me increase it so that you can see all of the Registry Editor files. You can click on any of the folder in here and type N to search NDU folder. You can see this one, NDU. Click on it. Here you have to do a right click on Start. First select it and do a right click. Click on Modify. Change the value to 1, or you can type 0 as well. Click OK. Afterwards, go back to H key local machine. Let me close these folders. Again open it. Click on System. Click on Current Control Set. Click on Control. Here you have to search for Session. Click on any of the folder. Search for Session. You can see Session Manager in here. Open it. In here, search for Memory Management. You can see this one. Here you can see Clear Page File at Shutdown. Select it. Do a right click. Click on Modify and type the value and change the data value to 1. Click OK, and after making all of the changes, restart your PC. That's all you have to do to fix high memory usage in Windows 10. I hope our method will help you to fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.